Hi guys, this is crazy. Much bigger economic slowdown is coming than in year 2008. Economy will go down and it will not rise immediately. India has already lost 60 lakhs of jobs and 14 crores of jobs are at risk. What are you going to do about your financial security? Are you going to do something about it or are you going to wait for the tsunami to hit you? If you want to do something, be with me till the end of the video. So guys, my name is Vijay Singh. I am a weight loss expert and my goal is to help 100,000 people to live healthy lifestyle. So guys, as you all know, the economic situation due to corona pandemic right now, we can see a slowdown in economic growth. In this economic crisis, companies are trying hard to stay in business by reducing the expenses and holding the cash flow for future business operations. As no one knows the situation after 6 months or 1 year. Companies are not able to cope up with the economic slowdown. In order to survive in this economic crisis, businesses are cutting jobs, deferring annual appraisals, unable to pay hikes and bonus and variable pays. People are having fear of losing jobs. Many companies have already cut their workforce. According to an article published by LiveMint, dated 31st March 2020, 136 million jobs are at risk post-corona in India. As you all know, we have seen financial crisis, recession once or twice every decade. Sometimes financial crisis is due to WTC explosion, sometimes it is due to coronavirus, and sometimes it is due to some other reason and some other reason. The reasons for financial crisis are different at different times. In all these times, countrymen face jobs insecurity, stress, and household budget goes for a toss. We insure our health, our vehicles, life, etc. But did we insure our income source? What do I mean by insurance of our income source? I mean, are you having only one income source or you are having multiple sources? Tomorrow, no financial help will be provided by insurance companies that you don't have any income coming anymore and you can skip your EMI or premiums. Tomorrow, no school or college will be providing any financial help saying that as you don't have any income coming up, you can skip your children's education fee and other expenses. This is the time that we need to do something to have control over our finances. Fortunately, as a team of highly qualified professionals, we are able to set up our digital enterprise over the internet in the health production domain, and it is going very well. So we are working in a domain which is the number one niche over the internet, which is health, wellness, and weight loss. Currently, we have the requirement for selecting the professionals in partnership role, followed by a selection process. If you find yourself serious to have control over your finances, we can take the process forward. So guys, that's what I wanted to say. Take the charge of your finances, do something and be in control. Don't wait for the situation to hit you. This is the time, this is the right time to do something. Alright guys, thank you. Take care.